Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to hide Instagram story highlights from specific people. First of all, open the Instagram application, navigate to the profile section from the bottom right corner. In the profile section, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Settings and activities section will open. Scroll down and tap on the option Hide Story and Live. On the next screen, you will see an option to hide story and live from specific people. Tap on it, your followers will appear here. Select the ones from whom you want to hide the story highlights. You can also tap on the search bar and search for people from whom you want to hide your Instagram story highlights. Tap on the small box in front of their name to select them. Then go back and tap on Done available at the top right corner. Refresh the Instagram app and now these people won't be able to see your story highlights. And this is how you can hide Instagram story highlights from specific people.